Hey guys, Adrian here from DigitalDojos.com, and it's been a while since I've shared some web services with you, some stuff I find interesting, and I wanted to get back into that. And today I wanted to start it off with Medium.com. Medium.com, as it is touted, is a better place to read and write. It's actually started by one of the co-founders, Ev Williams, who was a co-founder of Twitter. So it's a place on the internet to share ideas and write stories that are longer than 140 characters. So it's long form writing, it's short form, however you really want to pose it. It's just a great way to read and write articles here. And what Medium focuses on is the simplicity of your word and the written word and all of that. It just makes a really great, beautiful, and collaborative experience to read. And it's one of my current favorite, I guess you can call it, blogging platforms. I really like Tumblr in the sense that Tumblr is very social and sharing based. What Medium is very, you get really creative writing on here. It's straightforward, just articles, stories, professional journalists, all of that. You can be anybody sharing anything in a certain collection. And unlike Tumblr, where you can follow a lot of blogs that you're interested in and stuff like that, Medium concentrates on the overall collaborative aspect, and it really boils it down into collections. So while Tumblr, you kind of get your feed is chaotic with all these random sorts of things, on Medium you can follow certain collections, so you get strictly what you want, and again, really just article-based content, which I'm going to show you here. So this is your homepage. It's comprised of your reading list based off things you follow. You can see the authors here. A cool feature is it gives you an estimated read time of each article based on its engine it uses after, I'm guessing it's based off word count and average read time. You can hover over that and choose to bookmark articles that you may want to read later, or stuff that you just really found awesome and you want to bookmark it for later viewing. Everything's ran off collections here, so you can follow what they're called collections. And this is really cool because it's not like just following one person like you would on a site like Tumblr. It is following a whole category of write-ups, anything that goes into this category here. So you can see here you have everything that's in the Click the Shutter collection, all about photography, and you can follow all of it. You can see the most recommended, you can see the latest, more articles. You can of course just drill down into categories to see, or the collections to see what people write, or you can choose to follow it and get that in your reading list and so on. That being said, you can follow me over here on medium.com/@kidguru. You can see I've only written 2 posts so far. But if you want to follow, I'm writing up some small write-ups here and there. I think it's a really cool service. You can see my stats right here. Just not, nothing crazy. But just, again, it's a really simple blogging platform, and I'm really enjoying it in terms of just getting some writing content out there. So 37 views, not too bad. It also gives you read ratio and a really basic overview of stats here. Again, it's just a really awesome way and clear visual of your statistics here on the site. And again, you guys can follow me. You can get these views up, help me out a little bit. That being said, you can check out your bookmarks here. Again, easy, simple. And you can of course set up a new post here, so I can click on new post, and this is what I really like. The creator is simple, straightforward. It helps you. One of their main goals is to focus on your writing, focus on your word. You can add a featured image here. You can type your title, so this is a title, for example. Really awesome text typography. This, for example, is a subtitle. So you can see the subtitle, and then you get writing on your post. Test, test. And every time you hit enter here, you're kind of making a new break. So anytime you hit enter and set up a new section here, in each line you can add notes. As I mentioned earlier, you can add notes to carry on conversations. You can see other people who will leave notes, and you can add, comment through there. It's a really great way to break up the article and have certain conversations based off of certain sections. Again, you can also add images to make it interesting here. So just really simple. You can choose to add an image, and you are good to go. That being said, it's just really straightforward and simple. It saves as you write along here, and again, it's one of my favorite current blogging platform content creators out there. Simple, straightforward, and easy to write because you're just focusing on the words there. And at the same time, it really is, in a sense, a elegant writer in that sense. You can delete it or share the draft, whatever you want to do there. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the post. And last but not least here, I'm just going to go ahead and jump into an article to show you, again, just for example, how great this really looks. So you can see here at the top, you get the article, the author here, the bio, the featured image, the title, and a really easy to use and easy to read interface. Straightforward, simple, nothing going on in the background. At the very bottom here, you can choose to share it out, you can choose to recommend it, suggest links for further reading, so you're carrying on that collaboration again, and you can comment, or I should say note, on specific sections here. So for example, right there, I can see how people are going. I can see how people are, I can see what people are saying about that specific thing. And what's so cool, when you highlight something here, you can choose to, again, add a note to the specific thing you highlighted, or just tweet it out and share it. It's, again, a really great way, a really collaborative experience, all packed into this simple package. This is, guys, is medium.com. a really awesome new place to read and write on the web. Hopefully you guys check it out. I'll leave my link in the video description below. Love to see if you guys are using it, and if you are, feel free to drop your links in the comments below, and I'll check out some of your Medium blogs. So with that, guys, thanks for watching.